First, thank you for all your videos. My pleasure. My question. If there is only consciousness, then also the manifestation with the body-mind must be a movement of the consciousness. In other words, it is consciousness which likes to experience suffering and happiness, being rich or poor, healthy or sick. Consciousness is dreaming the Leela, and therefore there is no need to seek for enlightenment. Thank you. Yeah. But if you do end up seeking for enlightenment, that's also life. That's also this. That's also a play of this life. That's also Leela. So you might think that you're the doer and that you have the possibility to seek or to not seek, but everything about you is a play coming from this mystery, this unknown place that you cannot grab in this world. Like, so consciousness isn't consciously creating, it's creating spontaneously. Everything is appearing out of nothing, right here, right now, directly out of no place. Like bing, bing. It's not like sitting there thinking about it, but it's appearing in an apparent pattern. And all feelings of doership that you can or can't do is an appearance as well. So now it might feel like you're choosing to listen, or you're choosing to sit there, whereas actually sitting and listening is a happening, and it's a mystery. And there isn't a located person or thing inside the body that's listening. There is simply listening happening, which isn't separate from everything else. The listening, the sound, the listening and the sound are one and the same thing. The sound of my voice and the listening is the same. It just appears in the dualistic thinking that there's separation. Hi Chandra, Rajasthan, India. Welcome Chandra. This works without talking. Your state puts me into meditation. Thank you. That's cool. That's energetic resonance. That's really beautiful. I used to do that a lot when I went and saw speakers. You kind of zone into their energy, the place they're speaking from.